Good morning, dear children. Dear children, in our previous class, we learned about intransitive verbs. Yes. So, what are intransitive verbs? Verbs that can express a complete thought without exerting its action on an object are called intransitive verbs. Yes. So, intransitive verbs वो verbs होती हैं जिनको कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट की ज़रूरत नहीं होती अपनी मीनिंग को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए, कह सकते हैं कि अपने एक्शन को एक्सप्रेस करने के लिए दे डू नॉट नीड एन ऑब्जेक्ट. ओके, अपने एक्शन को पास ऑन करने के लिए, अपने एक्शन को ट्रांसफर करने के लिए they do not need an object, whereas transitive verbs needs an object, one or two objects to exert its action, to transfer its action. So that's why they are called transitive verbs. But here intransitive verbs do not need any object to transfer their action. Okay, so these verbs do not require a direct object to complete a thought. Okay, the message that these verbs want to convey, these verbs do not need a direct object to convey the message. Like for example, here I have written an example. They jumped. Here they is a subject, okay, and jumped is an intransitive verb. Okay, so they is a subject which is followed by a verb jumped. Here we can add an, what we can add here, we can add an adverb here, too high, to describe how they jumped. Yes, so हमें एक ऑब्जेक्ट की जरूरत नहीं है that answers question what or whom. We just need an adverb to complete the sentence. एक adverb अगर हम यहाँ पर add कर देंगे to show or to tell how they jumped, that will be sufficient. Okay, so here this verb is an intransitive verb. Okay, so now let us see, can verbs be both? Okay, so आज हम पढ़ेंगे about some verbs that can be transitive as well as intransitive. So here we can ask the question, can verbs be both? Yes, we can have verbs that are transitive as well as intransitive. So we are going to learn about those verbs today from our book. So beta, see here some of the verbs are given in your book. Those are transitive as well as intransitive, but there are some, I just want to make you understand, there are some verbs that can never be a transitive verb. वो कभी भी transitive verbs नहीं हो सकते हैं. Why? Because they never needs an object to complete their meaning. Like these verbs are arrive, go, lie, sneeze, sit and die. They are always be an intransitive verb because it is impossible for them to have a direct object to follow. इनके साथ हम कोई भी direct object add करके नहीं लिख सकते हैं. Like arrive, they arrived, what cannot come. Okay, they arrived, what or for whom or to whom. हम ये question में हम object में चीजें add नहीं कर सकते. We can just add some adverbs. They arrived at noon, or they arrived in the evening, in the morning. Yes, so we can just add some adverbs with these verbs, but not a direct object. So these verbs always remain intransitive verbs. They can never be used as a transitive verbs because it is impossible for a direct object to follow. Yes, so let us see some verbs given in your book. These verbs can be used as transitive as well as intransitive verbs. Like continue, here the example is given, we will continue the class after the break. Here we will continue. Here continue is a verb. Okay, why this is a transitive verb? This is a transitive verb, but why this is a transitive verb? Because here it is answering the question what we continue. We will continue the class. Okay, but if we say the class continued, okay, in another tense we have used this verb, but here this is completing its meaning. It does not need an object to complete, to convey the message. So that's why here this is used as an intransitive verb. So you see children that continue is one of the verb that can be used as both transitive as well as intransitive verb. Okay, now next verb here is given playing. Okay, the children are playing what? The children are playing cricket. So here this is a transitive verb. लेकिन अगर हमें इसको intransitive verb as in intransitive verb use करना है, so we can just remove this direct object and can be easily used as an intransitive verb. Okay, the next is Jobin smiled at us. Yes, smiled is used as a transitive verb because we have added what? We have added an object which is answering at whom. Yes, Jobin smiled at us. Okay, at whom is answering question whom, at whom, at us. Okay, and here if we say Jobin smiled, this is also itself a complete sentence. Here it is used as an intransitive verb. Okay, dear children, so what you have to do in this question number 4, you have to circle the verbs. You have to circle the verbs in the box that can be used as transitive as well as intransitive verbs. Okay, so dear children, how we will identify whether the verbs can be used as transitive or intransitive verbs both? So beta, we can just ask some question with the verbs. Okay, so here if I ask I washed what? I washed my clothes. So this can be used as a transitive verb. But if I say I washed, I dressed and went away. So here it can be used as an intransitive verb also. So this verb wash can be used as both. तो हम इसको क्या कर देंगे? हम इसको circle कर देंगे. Okay. So likewise here the verb laugh is also can be used as both transitive as well as intransitive verb. Okay. So तो जो verb transitive और intransitive दोनों ही सेंस में यूज की जा सकती हैं, हम उनको क्या करेंगे? सर्कल कर देंगे. ओके, एंड स्माइल ऑल्सो कैन बी यूज एज intransitive as well as transitive verb. जैसे कि आपने एग्जाम्पल में भी देखा, Jobin smiled at us, transitive. Okay, and Jobin smiled. So this is here it is used as an intransitive verb. Okay, now next is cry. Cry can also be used as both transitive as well as intransitive. She cried loudly. Okay, and she cried for a toy. So she cried for what? She cried for a toy. Transitive. She cried loudly. So it is all here cry has been used as an intransitive verb. Okay, now next is dress. Dress also can be used as both transitive as well as intransitive verb. Okay, next is kick. I kicked what? I kicked a ball. Okay, she kicked hard. She kicked hard. Here kick can be used as an intransitive verb also. तो kick को भी हम दोनों तरीके से use कर सकते हैं. Okay, but here want cannot be used as an. Next verb is want. Want is a verb which will always be used as a transitive verb. ठीक है, ये हमेशा ही transitive verb की तरह use होती है. It cannot be used as an intransitive verb because we always want something. ठीक है, अगर हम verb use कर रहे हैं want, तो हमें उसके साथ एक direct object की जरूरत पड़ेगी. Same as with verb throw. ठीक है, इसके साथ भी हमेशा हमें डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट लगाना पड़ेगा, तभी इसका मीनिंग कंप्लीट हो पाएगा. ओके, सो नेक्स्ट वर्ब्स आर अराइव एंड गो. आई टोल्ड यू व्हेन आई वाज एक्सप्लेनिंग यू अबाउट ट्रांजिटिव एंड intransitive verbs that these both are the verbs that will never that can never be used as a transitive verb. They will always be used as intransitive verbs because they do not need an object to complete their meaning. They can never follow any object. ठीक है, इनके साथ हम कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं लगा सकते हैं. अदरवाइज वी विल नॉट बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड मीनिंग ऑफ दीज टू वर्ब्स. ओके, हम कोई डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट इन दोनों वर्ब्स के साथ नहीं लगा सकते हैं. सो नाउ नेक्स्ट इज वर्ब वॉक. दिस वर्ब वॉक कैन बी यूज एज बोथ ट्रांजिटिव एज वेल एज intransitive. आप इसके साथ डायरेक्ट ऑब्जेक्ट लगा भी सकते हैं और नहीं भी लगाएंगे तो भी हम अगर इसके साथ ऑब्जेक्ट लगा है देन इट विल बिकम अ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. लेकिन अगर इसके साथ ऑब्जेक्ट नहीं लगाया गया है देन इट विल बिकम एन intransitive verb. नेक्स्ट इज कैरी. Carry is a transitive verb. Why? Carry will always be used as can always be used as a transitive verb. Why? Because it means an object to complete its meaning. Next is drop. Okay, so drop is a verb that can be used as both transitive as well as intransitive verb. Okay, so next is verb call. कॉल अगेन कैन बी यूज एज ट्रांजिटिव. अगर इसके साथ आपने कोई ऑब्जेक्ट ऐड किया है देन इट विल बिकम अ ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब, और इफ वी हैव नॉट यूज एनी ऑब्जेक्ट विद इट then also it can complete its meaning on its own. Okay, and next is same with this verb follow. Okay, follow भी इसी तरीके की verb है which can be used as both transitive as well as intransitive verb. So beta, there is the list of the verbs that can be used as both transitive and intransitive verbs is very long. ठीक है, बहुत सारे ऐसे verbs होते हैं जिनको हम transitive verbs की तरह भी यूज कर सकते हैं और intransitive verbs की तरह भी यूज कर सकते हैं. कैसे हम intransitive verbs को transitive verbs में convert कर सकते हैं? We can just add a suitable object. We can add a suitable or direct object with them and we can use them as ट्रांजिटिव verbs. yes, so आपको यही करना है अपने नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में. what you have to do, we have to rewrite the following sentences by changing the intransitive verbs into transitive verbs. ठीक है, यहाँ पर कुछ ऐसी verbs हैं. playing can be used as play is a verb. okay, ing तो इसके अंदर लगाया हुआ है, तो play is a verb which can be used as both transitive as well as intransitive verb. तो यहाँ पर ये सारी intransitive वे में दी, इन ट्रांजिटिव फॉर्म में दी हुई हैं. वी हैव टू मेक देम ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब बाय एडिंग सुटेबल ऑब्जेक्ट. ठीक है, तो फर्स्ट एग्जांपल इज गिवन टू यू, द गर्ल इज प्लेइंग. ओके, तो हमने इसको ट्रांजिटिव बनाया. द गर्ल इज प्लेइंग व्हाट? द गर्ल इज प्लेइंग बास्केटबॉल. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट इज आई पार्क्ड आउटसाइड द गार्डन. I parked outside the garden. So here parked is a verb. तो parked के साथ अगर हम ऑब्जेक्ट लगाएंगे then it will become a transitive verb. I parked what? I parked my car outside the garden. सो आपने देखा ये जो वर्ब पार्क्ड है इन द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, इन दिस पार्ट बी फर्स्ट सेंटेंस, ये क्या थी? ये थी इंट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. लेकिन यहाँ पर ये क्या बन गई? यहाँ पर ये बन गई ट्रांजिटिव वर्ब. सो लाइकवाइज यू हैव टू कंप्लीट दिस पार्ट फिफ्थ ऑल्सो. ठीक है, अब सिक्स पार्ट में सिक्स क्वेश्चन में आपको क्या करना है? यहाँ पर ये देखो, व्हाट द क्वेश्चन सेज, द सेंटेंस गिवन बिलो आर एग्जांपल्स ऑफ द कंडीशंस गिवन इन द टेबल. ये कुछ एग्जांपल्स हैं और कंडीशन कहाँ पर दी हुई है? यहाँ पर दी हुई है. ठीक है, सो दीज आर सम एग्जांपल्स ऑफ द कंडीशंस गिवन in the table. Okay, so you have to indicate the right example against the appropriate condition in the table. Okay, तो आपको क्या करना है? सबसे पहले आपको कंडीशन रीड करनी है and then you have to find out which condition is suitable is matching with which sentence here. ठीक है, जैसे कि आपने देखा a sentence with a first condition is a sentence with a transitive verb. आपको वो sentence ढूंढना है यहाँ पर जिसमें transitive verb यूज की गई है. तो let's see sentence C. The bus hit the lamp post. The bus hit what? The bus hit the lamp post. So this condition is matched with this part C. Now let us see the second condition, a sentence with an intransitive verb. हमें ऐसा sentence देखना है जिसमें intransitive verb हो. Okay, let us find out the sentence. Just read out this sentence. B. The sun shone and the bird chirped. Okay, हमने इसमें देखा यहाँ पर तो दो verbs हैं, shone and chirp, both are intransitive. लेकिन हमें इसमें क्या बोला है? We just have to find out a sentence which has just one intransitive verb. ठीक है, तो ये वाला तो कैंसिल हो गया, बी वाला तो. ओके, सो लेट्स सी ए पार्ट. द कोकोनट फेल ऑन द ग्राउंड. हियर वर्ब इज फेल. सो यहाँ पर दिस वर्ब इज नॉट आंसरिंग क्वेश्चन व्हाट और whom, दिस आंसरिंग वेयर, ऑन द ग्राउंड. सो कैन वी राइट पार्ट ए इन द सेकेंड कंडीशन? Yes, we can write part A with the second condition. We can match the second condition with part A. So आपको ये तीनों conditions अच्छे से पढ़नी है and then you have to find out which condition will be matched with which part here. Okay, so I hope you will be able to do all these questions ये तो मैंने आपके लिए पहले ही कर दिया. फोर्थ क्वेश्चन यू हैव टू डू दिस इन योर बुक. Okay, and this fifth question and sixth question also you will be doing in your book. Okay, you don't have to do anything in the notebook. Okay, मैं आपको कुछ और questions दूंगी practice करने के लिए जो आप notebook में करेंगे, but not now. Okay, for today you will be doing this fourth, fifth and sixth question in the book only. If you have any query, you can just ask me. Okay.